Mum and Dad have just gone into a farmer's marketplace to get his food. Merlin! You can see builders, can't you? What's that? Oh, people getting in a van. Oh, what are you saying? Oh, they're not coming back yet. What are you doing? Crazy dog. He's sitting on me as well. Okay, so I found out I was just making this noise. Ready? Oh, he's not doing it anymore. Merlin! He's so goofy looking. Oh, don't lick that. Oh yeah. Here it is. Where is it?
Yeah, like I said.
Oh no, wait, come here. Come here. Just like that. Then like that. Then...
What are you taking that off for? He hasn't got a collar on.
Can't a collar on now. Harness coming off, unless of course he's going for a walk right this second.
You have to walk. Down. Down. Sit. Good boy.
Good boy.
I swear there was a clip. Come here. Oh yeah. Wait. Stop. Come here. Like that. Then.
Oh, seems a bit complicated to me.
Then like that. Crazy dog, crazy dog, crazy dog. Do you reckon he'll pop this?
Yeah, could be. That's my washing line. We don't want a washing line. Excuse me. I have to put my washing up there.
Okay, I'm going to leave you be for a bit. You can just smell, it's fine. You can follow me. It's fine too. Oh, okay, you okay, you just... What do you think of the new dog?
Good.
Good.
Rock. Rock. Ready? Rock. 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 Ready?
You should go and hit the dog.
Listen. Rock. Ask them, get him.
What do you think of the new dog, Ellie?
It's quite not that expected.
What do you mean not that expected? You mean excitable?
Yeah.
Yeah. Merlin,
Jumpy.
sit. Merlin.
I try to say drop.
Merlin. Here. Come here. Drop. Good boy.
Marley.
Get the ball. Ah. Huh?
Why are you filming?
Because I'm going to document his first day. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah? Are you sure? Are you sure that's okay? Huh?
Yeah.
Are you sure that's okay? Are you sure that's okay? Huh? Dog.
You know, I think Ebony might be coming.
Oh, he doesn't like his collar.
Oh.
Keep scratching his collar. Okay, I'm going to go inside. I've just got a text. Be careful, okay? Remember what I said? If he jumps up at you, turn your back. Or push him down. What do you think of the dog?
You recording me?
Yeah.
It's quite mental.
What do you guys think of the dog? Don't kiss. You're on camera. Ew! 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 This is going on the internet. Somebody's gonna get sick with the pleasure of it. Oh no!
I think you got some pants. Not you, Merlin.
What are you eating?
Graham.
Man crisps.
Wait.
Wait.
Hey, Grandpa, don't do that. Don't do that. She'll bite you. I'm not liking it ever. No.
Merlin, what are you doing? Come here. Come here. You don't listen to me, do you? It's fine. Come here.
Just chilling. Just chilling.
1, 2,
Finally.
I can't do it anymore.
Is Mum on the phone too?
Who knows?
Merlin. Merlin. Puppy, puppy, puppy.
Merlin, sit.
Merlin.
Down. Down.
Sit.
Just stay down.
Sit. Merlin. Sit. Oi.
Come just sit down.
Good boy. Good boy. I don't have any treats. I'm sorry. That was a tease.
Dr. Flu!
He hasn't. He keeps scratching. He had his flea done. Beep. Beep. Beep, beep. He's throwing his own ball. He like flings his neck to one side and the ball just goes.
Huge motivation into my family history is why my father's mum.